Well, hello there. Today I'm taking you guys all the way back to the northern part of my country, Nigeria. And today we're making homemade sinasir or masa. Hey, beautiful people, and welcome back to the Nikiolori Cooks YouTube channel.
Let's go.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to be needing is uncooked rice that has been rinsed and soaked overnight. So the day before, I just basically rinsed it, nothing much, just a gentle rinse. Put it, soaked it, and left it in my fridge till the next day. So this is the next day. So when you check it, it's going to be very brittle, and this is actually something that will really help your blender or your food processor, whatever you're using. If not, man, that blender might be gone. So this really helps soften everything, and just makes it easy to ferment. Yeah. And then we need cooked rice, just a little bit of cooked rice. Then we're going to blend it. Now for this recipe, you have to be very careful with your water content. So I just advise that when you're blending, you use as little water as possible. So after blending, you could just add water to the consistency that is enough, because if you use water at the beginning and it becomes too runny, then that is a problem. Okay, so Sinasir or masa is a dish that is very popular in the northern part of Nigeria, even though it has actually spread to more than the northern part, but it's predominantly found in the northern part, and it's just basically fermented rice pancake. That is basically what it is, but it comes out very, very, bouncy. It's like it's almost spongy. It comes out really spongy, and the rice gives it a really nice texture. It is usually mostly eaten with suya or peppered grilled meat or chicken, majorly meat actually. And yeah, you could also take it. It's also a nice carb or thing, vehicle that you can use to soak up some stew or whatever soup you have. You could use it for that, but it's majorly used with suya. But on its own, when well done, it actually has a very nice taste. It is more on the sweet side than savory, but it comes out really delicious, very nice, and something that it isn't overly sweet. So it's something that you just keep eating, keep eating, keep eating, and before you realize you've eaten like four masas or sinasir. Okay, so sinasir and masa are basically the same thing, save for the fact that sinasir is made in a pancake form, but you only fry one side while the other side steams. But masa is done in a ball form. It's fried in a ball form in a kind of like frying pan, but it's made in a like ball. It's a contraption that it's a contraption. It's like a dough frying pan or something. Yeah, see the browning on that is what you want. Then you just keep doing it. Add very little oil to the frying pan, put it, cover, and let it go, and it will form. When you give it about like 4 or 5 minutes, it forms this really nice you see it, yeah, this really nice browning, which is delicious, which is actually delicious. So yeah, basically that's all. Full recipe is in the description. It comes out very, when you tear it comes out very soft, but still has a little, just a tiny bit of crunch at the edges, but it comes out very delicious. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Watch more videos, show some love. And yeah, I'll be here eating my sinasir. Bye, guys.